This is the speed race. The questions are coming to all schools at the same time. Which of the following is a non-myelinated nerve fiber? A. Optic nerves. B. Cranial nerve. C. Spinal nerve. D. Autonomic nerve. Prempeh College.
Autonomic nerve.
That is correct. One, calculate the new concentration of a 250 centimeters cubed solution of barium hydroxide of concentration 0.40 mole per decimeter cubed if 110 centimeters cubed of deionized water is added. St. Thomas Aquinas. Go ahead, Nyaji.
0.28 mole per dmq.
That is correct. Determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants and products in a balanced equation of the reaction O2 plus NH3 going into H2O plus N2. St. Thomas Aquinas. Go ahead.
15.
That is correct. Find the resonance angular frequency for an LC circuit with L equals 50 millihenry. So find the resonance angular frequency for an LC circuit with L equals 50 millihenry and C equals 20 microfarad. Prempeh College.
1000 radians per second.
That is correct. At the end of the speed race, St. Thomas Aquinas and Ofori Payin each had 11 points. Prempeh College had 24 points. At the end of the fourth round, these are the scores. Ofori Payin Senior High School had 25 points. St. Thomas Aquinas had 30 points. And Prempeh College had 42 points. Riddle. I am a statistical diagram. I am associated with a line of fit. Yes, Prempeh.
Scatter diagram.
That is correct. We continue. I am a physical phenomenon. I am commonly associated with waves. However, I have been demonstrated using various particles. I'm the phenomenon responsible for the transformation of the wavefront of a plane wave into, yes, Prempeh.
Interference.
That is incorrect. For the transformation of the wavefront of a plane wave into a curved wavefront, yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Diffraction.
That is correct. I am a term which was coined by Julian Huxley and Georges Tessier in 1936 when I was applied to the phenomenon of relative growth. My name was originally used to refer to the scaling relationship between the size of a body part and the size of the body as a whole, as both grow. Yes, St. Thomas.
Allometry.
That is correct. 4 points. common carbohydrate found in most plants? Yes, Ofori Payin.
Cellulose.
That is incorrect. I am usually formed through a dehydration reaction. I am a disaccharide. Yes, St. Thomas Aquinas.
Sucrose.
That is correct. We've come to the end of the contest. And so at the end of the contest, these are the scores. Ofori Payin Senior High School ended the contest with 25 points. St. Thomas Aquinas ended the contest with 40 points. And Prempeh College ended the contest with 46 points. So congratulations to you, Prempeh College. You have proved you are the defending champions. Congratulations to you.